Yeah, my advice to anybody that's like thinking about starting a business or that's just like, in the beginnings of the journey, I wouldn't start anything that you're not really passionate about because of the reasons I'm mentioning. In a lot of cases, like what you hear is the stuff through PR and stuff, and a lot of things sound like they're overnight successes, but in most cases, they're actually like my story, where there is quite a bit of persistence involved and pivots and a lot of work that goes into finally finding where that product market fit lies. And if you're not really excited about the product or service that you're bringing into the world and bringing to customers and really passionate about it, the likelihood is you probably won't make it through those tough periods. And so I think it's, number one, you just shouldn't start a company unless you shouldn't start a company because you just want to start a company or because you think you want to be an entrepreneur or because you want to make a ton of money. You should start a company because you're trying to bring something of value to a customer set that you really care about and you want to see that thing exist in the world. If you're doing that, you're I think much much more likely to succeed because you will persist through any tough periods that are necessary, and you'll find your way to success. Very similar to my journey. So that's probably my number one advice. And so um, yeah, there's going to be roadblocks, and you'll get through them if you care enough about it.